like we got a restarter here. Riding along with Austin, maybe?
He's on the inside of Ron there. Justin leading it like he always does.
No, he doesn't.
Like he wants to think he does.
Like he does once, twice a season.
Thank you.
Early in the... Oh, and there it goes.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
I was leading, then I wasn't.
There's Colin.
Nice slide job right there.
Doing Colin things.
Oh, was there contact?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bent wheel right there. That wheel is bent.
No. What's going on?
I don't know. We're out of the cart, now we're back in the cart. Austin getting through some lap traffic here. Tyler with a full turnaround.
Whoa, 3 wide in the restart.
You can't do that. I'm wagging my finger.
Oh, and you can see the drone just fall.
We got one of our racers out of his cart.
Hey, Austin wins a race.
Finally got one. He doesn't do that much anymore.
Oh, we're on board with Justin now.
Look at Austin sawing on that wheel.
A little contact.
A little right front to left rear. Nothing. Whoa! A little more contact.
Yeah, someone might have been mad there.
Probably. Austin's a bit of a hack. Everyone's mad at Austin. His number's in the wrong place. You ever notice that?
I haven't.
It's in the top left.
No, NASCAR says in the front.
Yeah. It goes in the bottom. Bottom left. Right, that's right. I don't
38 hanging it wide.
Flagman up there.
And he's hanging it way too wide.
We got one off the speedway. Oh, and it looks like a caution. Single file restart? Oh no, choose cone.
Choose cone. Mad box?
Mad House.
Mad House.
Here we go. Oh, yep, there it is.
Yep.
They like to mess with the flagman there.
Flagman's just trying to do his job.
Justin just likes to fondle
Hey.
the flagman there. Railing the high side. Whoa! That was cool.
That was 4 wide.
That was badass. What a move by the holster. No longer the short bus, we'll just call him the holster, I guess.
Hole.
Like a boat.
And caution's out.
Back to the choose here. Ooh, Austin playing some...
There's a flag poked in the choose cone that time.
Yeah, people kept hitting it. Had to make sure they could see it. The bright orange cone.
So we can throw a white flag in there.
Oh, Colin leaning on the leader on the... Wow.
Contact before the green. Contact! 69 machine out to a strong start.
We got
doors
Dale out
closed.
there rolling. Put a 3 on that side of that thing, and he'd bail Earnhardt.
I don't know why he's number 69.
Should be 3.
Should be 3.
Wow, he just made up like 5 spots and 5 lengths in a lap.
What the heck did I do that lap?
I think Colin just screwed up again.
Not by
Whoa! And he almost goes around.
I caught that time on Austin too, though. So maybe Austin was the one that screwed up.
I don't know. Or he just laid down a lap.
I guess that happens.
Buzzed a heater. Oh,
Woo!
Austin sliding up.
8 wheels turn better than 4?
That they do. That they do. Ooh. The old beaver slap. That's what we like to call that one. A coveted flat go-kart racing move. Gets them all upset in the entry corner. Got a restart here. Oh.
And I had second place for a lap or 2.
Yeah. Justin just choking on the restarts.
I'm fat.
You'll have that on those big jumps. Looking like a drag car up there with 2 wide rear tires.
What's stagger?
We don't need stagger. Stagger perfect and match special, am I right? As Harry Hogg would say.
I mean, I used to run like a 1/4 inch of stagger out here and did alright.
Yeah. I don't think anything matters. You just gotta put your balls on the dash and wheel it.
Mm-hmm. One of them 2-ball sports.
Yep. 2 ball, 1 stick. Look at the colors on the trees here in Michigan in the October day. Really a beautiful setting for a day race on a Sunday.
See the hardwoods off to the right?
Yep. It looks like a Sunday, doesn't it?
And now the evergreens.
Yeah. It just looks like a Sunday.
It's God's day.
It's God's day. And we're turning left.
Lots of lap traffic here. And they're battling.
38 up there hanging it.
Colin's looking to make a move.
Oh, Austin uses the lap car as a pick. Whoa! Almost spun him. 10 to go.
Logging laps.
Just running.
Alright, what's going on here? Oh!
Tight.
Colin has a slip up.
Gets a little snug there. Oh, Justin fills a hole that isn't quite there.
It was there on entry.
Yeah, he closed it up.
Running the top 4 feet of the track, 38.
Yep. Doing a little aerodynamic adjustment. Body guy at Van Dorn Racing Development. He's just helping him out.